Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you from scratch how I prepare these banana oatmeal cookies. It is healthy, without sugar, butter, or flour. Just keep watching and see how I prepare it from scratch. Here are the list of the ingredients. You can as well find it in the description box below. I'll begin by blending the rolled oatmeal in order to produce the oatmeal flour. Let me use this opportunity to appreciate you that is watching my video. God bless you. If you are new here, please consider to press that red button, that is the subscription button, and the notification bell, so that you will be aware anytime I upload a video like this. Once the oatmeal flour is ready, I am going to mix all the dry ingredients together. Just watch me and see how I am doing this. I'll then mix all of them together. Then set it aside. Now I'm going to prepare the wet ingredients. I'll begin with the ripe banana. Here I'm using 2 ripe bananas. As you can see, I peel them and I cut them. Add them to the blender. To it, I will add the vanilla extract, 1 egg, and coconut oil. I will blend them all together until they are creamy and smooth. As you can see, it is now smooth. Now I'll go ahead and add it to the dry ingredients in the mixing bowl. With my wooden spatula, I'm going to stir them until they are well distributed. In here, I have my baking tray lined up with parchment paper. With the help of this ice cream scoop, I'm going to portion these cookies like so. I'll fast forward this stage and I'll be right back. With the help of my rubber spatula, I'm going to flatten these cookies. Why I'm doing so is because I did not add any butter to it. So I have to help by applying this method. I promise you, this is one of the easiest cookies you can prepare at home. It is good for keto dieting. It is low in calories. This is one of the best and healthiest cookies you can prepare at home. After that, I'm going to transfer it to the preheated oven and bake it for about 20 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade. 20 minutes later, take a look at the cookies. They are so delicious and healthy cookies. Give it a try at home. If I can bake it, yes you can. I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so for more videos like this. If you like this video, Please kindly give me thumbs up. I would like to see your nice comments. Till next time, stay healthy. God bless you.